Hello everyone, welcome to MDev Media channel, with me Mr. Gee. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to build CRUD system application with PHP, MySQL, and JQuery. Together, we go to the process of building this CRUD system application. Hopefully at the end of this course, you will be able to 1. Create connection between the project and MySQL database. 2. Create registration and login functionality, with client-side and server-side validations. 3. Create email verification to send to our user. Not just that all. We're gonna creating secure password hashing, using PHP password hashing functionality. We create password reset functionality. We're gonna create our own simple search functionality. Also, we get into the process of adding, updating, and deleting data from our database. We're gonna creating our own admin dashboard, to displaying our graphical display of data that we have. So, these are the functionality that we're gonna implement it to the application. Hopefully, on your own, you will be able to understand, and implement this functionality. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already installed XAMPP as my local host server, and Bracelets as my text editor. I also have one zipped file for this course. So first thing we have to do is download and install XAMPP. Open your browser, and search for XAMPP, or just type apachefriends.org. On this page, you will find 3 different links for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Download it, and then install on your computer. XAMPP control panel will automatically start it. Before start the XAMPP server, we're gonna make some configuration. Left click config button, and click php.ini. Press Ctrl+F, to show searching bar. And type output_buffering. Then press enter, or click find button, find the output_buffering word. Change the value to 4096, if the value is not the same. If same, just ignore it. Go to the searching bar again, and type display_error, press start, or click find button. Find display_error word, then make sure is turn on. Click exit and save that file. Let's create a shortcut to our htdoc folder, the folder that will be the main hosting on our XAMPP local server. Open C drive. When install XAMPP localhost, avoid to install XAMPP to program files x86. Open XAMPP folder. htdoc folder will be our main folder to create our project as a host. Do not delete anything in this folder. Press backspace. Then right click on htdoc folder. Hover the center word, then left click desktop shortcut. Now we have htdocs shortcut in our desktop. Next step is to install Bracelets text editor. Open your browser, then search in Google Bracelets text editor. Or just direct type in the browser, brackets.io. Download the installer, and then install it on your computer. Open it. The default theme color of Bracelets text editor is white. I want to change it so that it looks comfortable in our eyes. Go to View tab, and choose Theme. Change the theme color to dark. Left click File. Then choose Extension Manager. A new Bracelet window will pop up. Type EMMET on searching box. This extension will help you a lot when typing HTML or CSS coding. Press the Install button. Let's try what Emmet extensions can do. Type exclamation mark, and then press Tab button on keyboard. Emmet extension will automatically add blank HTML document code. Let's try another one. Type diff.thisIsClass, followed by the tab key. As you can see, it automatically writes all code tags with their class names inside. This also applies to ID attribute, and it uses hashmark to write ID code. Let's try it. Type diff hashmark, this is ID, then press tab. The result will be the same as the previous example, only different on the ID attribute. Definitely, it will increase the speed of your coding time. Repeat, press Ctrl Z to return the bracelet getting started page. Press the flash icon on the right side, bracelet will open Chrome browser of this getting started page. What you need to learn about bracelet text editor is provided on this page, so take the time to learn it, trust me, it's worth it. As you know, there is one zip file that we will use for this course. You can download this zip file in the link that I have provided in the video description. Download it, then extract the WWN zip file. Open the extracted folder. There is 3 files that we are going to use for this course: bootstrap.min.css and JS, also jQuery.min.js. For this course, I use the 3.3.7 Bootstrap version, for both CSS or JS, so just make sure that you are using this version too. For jQuery, I'm using 1.12.4 version. Let we make sure that our local host server XAMPP is working. You can find the XAMPP control panel in the try icon. Or you can make the XAMPP shortcut to your desktop, just like I do. Open C drive, and then go to XAMPP folder. Scroll down to find the XAMPP control panel, then make shortcuts to desktop. Run the XAMPP control panel, then press start on Apache and MySQL. Let's try it. Open your browser, and then type localhost followed by enter button on your keyboard. If you see this page on your browser, that means XAMPP localhost on your computer is working. If you want to learn about XAMPP local server, you can read it on this page. Open htdocs folder, create a new folder with name CRUD. Open that folder as a bracelets project. Right-click, create a new file with name index.php. We have to make some content on this file. Just type this is index. Open your browser, and then type localhost/CRUD. Bracelets text editor have a live preview functionality in Chrome browser. We just need to make some adjustments. Go to File, then choose Project Settings. Fill that box with our localhost address link. Just copy-paste the link, then press Done button. Click the flash icon, a new Chrome browser window will open the live preview. Let's test the live preview. I will add a few words in our index.php, and then save the project. As you can see, without refreshing the browser, the words has changed in our live preview automatically, as long as you save the file. XAMPP come with MySQL Database. This application allows us to access database on our computer. This application known as phpMyAdmin. You can delete, you can create, or even editing or updating the database. To use this application is simple, just type localhost on your browser. It's bring you to XAMPP dashboard. Then click phpMyAdmin on the menu bar. We will be directed to phpMyAdmin dashboard. The page will look like this. In this step, we will create a database for the project we are working on. Click New on the left side, then create the database name. CRUD app will be the name of the database. Now we have one database for this project. Back to our text editor, right-click on our CRUD folder on text editor, then create config folder. After that, create a new file inside config folder, and name it db.php. We are going to make connection between project and the database. But, how to do that? To make a connection, we have to know what is the host name, the username of the host, the username password, then the name of the database that we're going to use. XAMPP has the default settings for all of them, such as host name is localhost, username is root, and the blank password. The last is the name of the database that we created earlier. Let's try to create the connection. Type PHP open tag, and the close tag. Make some space between them. Inside this PHP tag, we have to create some variable to connect with the database. Let's try it. For the host name we fill with localhost. For username fill it with root. The password is blank. And last, the database name is CRUD app. To make connection, we have to add another variable, type connection equal to MySQL underscore connect. Brackets, inside brackets, host, user, pass, db underscore name. We have made connections between projects and databases using all the parameters. But how to make sure that this connection is successful? Let's run a test for it. Make statement with Boolean variable, because Boolean variable is the simplest and easiest method. As we know, that Boolean only give you two value, true or false. Now, all we have to do is make if conditions statement. Type, if connection, curly brackets, inside brackets, we will make a statement that will give us an answer, if the connection are true connected, or the connection is false not connected with the database. So, if the connection is true, we need to echo connection with database successful. Or else, if connection is false, we're gonna create different result value. Echo, connection with database failed. Open your Live Preview browser, or just click the flash icon. As you can see, now we can see that the connection is successful. That means, we are successful connecting the project with the database. Let's run a test if the connection with the database not connected. I'm gonna change the database name. What will happen? Don't forget to save the file. Open your browser. The result has been changed. It's tell you that the connection with database failed. Now we are going to add Bootstrap and JQuery in our local host server. First open the WWN folder, then copy all the library. Open your htdocs folder, go to CRUD folder, then paste it there. Make 2 new folder, and then rename it to CSS and JS. Put the bootstrap.min.css file to CSS folder, then the bootstrap and jQuery.min.js to the JS folder. Open CRUD folder with bracket text editor. We are going to make link to the library. Open index.php, press exclamation mark followed by tab key on your keyboard. I'm going to add meta tag viewport. With content of width equal to device width. Initial scale equal to 1. User scale label equal to no. Make a link to Bootstrap CSS. Type link, then press tab key. Type CSS / brace. It will provide the address to the file that we need. Left click, or press enter to fill that address. Now the JavaScript, TypeScript followed with tab keys. Source. Then find the jQuery address. Do the same thing with bootstrap.min.js. Save the file. Then click flash icon. Only blank pages are displayed by the browser, because we have not created anything in index.php. We have to run test just to make sure that the links is working. Open browser, then search W3 School Bootstrap. I'll go to the BS navbar. I think this example will be great. Click the Try It Yourself button. Copy all content inside the body tag. Back to index.php. Paste it to body tag. Save the file, then check your browser live preview. Now we have the black navbar, complete with menu, and working drop-down menu. So we can conclude that the bootstrap.min.css link had been linked, and works perfectly. Now the bootstrap.min.js link. Back to W3 School. Then scroll down. Choose the JS modal for the example. Press Try It Yourself button. The example modal button will be like this. Copy all existing styles along with the style tag. Back to text editor, press Ctrl+Z. Then paste it inside head tag. Back to browser, then copy all content inside body tag. Paste all that content inside our body tag. Save file. Remember, the modal button only work when bootstrap.min.js is connected to our project. If not, then the modal button will not work. Go to our Live Preview tab, then click the Login button. The modal button example is work perfectly. That means we have successfully connected bootstrap.min.js with the project. Ctrl-Z twice to cancel the content we used before. Now the jQuery. Back to browser, type jQuery w3 school. Choose any jQuery topic you want. I choose jQuery animate. Then scroll to the last example. Press the Try It Yourself button. The animation will look like this. Copy the script. Then paste it inside our head tag. Highlight all the contents in the body tag. Copy. Back to text editor, then paste it inside our body tag. Then save the file. Back to our Live Preview browser. As you can see, the Start Animation button works perfectly. That means, jQuery.min.js has been linked with the project. We have linked and tested all 3 libraries on our local host server. You can also use the CDN Content Delivery Network for all 3 libraries, if you want. Thanks for watching. Please help me to grow up this channel by sharing this video on your social media. If you find this video useful, please give a like, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.